In the tradition of 1970s Kodak camera outfits, we've put together a brand new outfit. So here it is, Kodak Instamatic X-15F in its original box. We have the X-15F camera, which we did a separate video how to use that. Comes with a flip flash. You get 8 flashes. You shoot one side. When you finish with those 4, you flip it, shoot the other side. Film-wise, you get the very special Fakmatic adapter that allows you to use 35mm film in your Kodak Instamatic because 126 film is no longer made. And this Fakmatic adapter has a QR code. A video within a video. Oh, weird. So that'll tell you how to use and how to load the Fakmatic. So got the camera, the adapter to use 35mm film, the flash, limited. So when they're gone, they're gone. It's exciting.
Is it?
Yes. Yes, I've been 126 crazy.